Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 3-ingredient remedy that will help you fall asleep faster. This natural remedy is exceptionally efficient when it comes to insomnia. As a matter of fact, it can help you fall asleep faster and you will wake up feeling fresh and well rested. The great thing about the remedy is that it is prepared out of two commonly used ingredients in your kitchen: cinnamon and honey. Why is cinnamon good for your sleep? What the cinnamon does is that it prepares the body for an uninterrupted, restful night's sleep. If you have sleeping issues, surely at least once, if not more, you have woken up in the middle of the night for no reason whatsoever. The cinnamon helps regulate the blood glucose levels, and that can help stop the sudden waking up in the middle of the night. Also, cinnamon can help improve the circulation of blood, which is additional benefit in case you have problems with cold hands or feet at night. Why is honey good for your sleep? Honey is a concentrated water solution of 2 sugars. You should know that the body breaks down these sugars easier and faster. The honey is sweeter in comparison to sugar, and the plus side of this is that it is more beneficial when it comes to your overall health. The honey is low GI food, and that is why it is gradually absorbed into your bloodstream. It is said that honey can restore and promote sleep. The honey allows a suitable supply of liver glycogen when you have low body stores during the night. It is believed that the normal liver of an adult has from 75 to 100 grams of storage space when it comes to glycogen, which differs between men and women of different body sizes. The body consumes 10 grams of glycogen in 60 minutes during the day, and that leaves the stores low by the usual bedtime at 11 p.m. Recipe for honey and cinnamon remedy. You will need cinnamon 1/4 teaspoon, raw honey 1 teaspoon, milk 8 ounces. Preparation and use. First, you need to take 1 saucepan and add the milk. You need to heat it. Next, you need to remove it from the heat and add the honey and cinnamon. Make sure to mix well. You need to make sure to drink this remedy 60 minutes before your bedtime. The great thing about this remedy is the fact that it is made out of easily found ingredients and that is easy and simple to prepare. But honey has many other benefits, so this remedy is not only good for your sleeping issues. Watch the video till the end to get full information. Raw honey and its health benefits. Honey is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It helps boost your immune system. It can boost your energy levels, lowers fatigue. Honey comes with powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, helps treat anxiety, helps relieve morning sickness, beneficial in case of hiccups. It helps alkalize the body's pH, help relieve a sore throat, reduces pain and inflammation, good for treating eczema. All you need to do is mix black pepper, ginger and honey. Helps with dandruff and scalp issue. It helps lower cholesterol. Just combine 3 tablespoons of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey in 16 ounces of tea of your choice. Honey helps clear the sinuses. Mix fresh ginger juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Helps treat arthritis. Just mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon with 1 part honey and 2 parts of lukewarm water. Put the mixture on your affected area and massage for 1 minute. It promotes the growth of good bacteria. Helps if you want to shed a few pounds. All you need to do is mix 1 glass of warm water with half a lemon and 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. Honey helps in the case of indigestion and acid reflux. Honey can improve blood flow, and that can help prevent heart disease. Honey disinfects
wounds and soothes burns. Just mix it with garlic and add the obtained mixture to your injuries. Honey combats pollen allergies. Just consume 1 teaspoon of raw honey for a couple of times on a daily basis. Helps lower ulcers. Helps eliminate parasites from colon and liver. Honey lowers metabolic stress. It helps improve your eyesight. Just mix 2 tablespoons of honey with fresh carrot juice and consume this drink regularly. Lowers hay fever. Just take 1 tablespoon of honey in the morning on an empty stomach. Honey helps relieve headaches. In a half glass of water, add honey and consume it right away. Eliminates bad breath. In 1 glass of hot water, add 1 teaspoon of honey and cinnamon to taste. Beneficial for leg cramps. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of honey and drink this every night before your bedtime. Helps moisturize the skin. Just mix 2 tablespoons of warm water and 1 dollop of honey. Put the obtained mixture on your skin and make sure to massage this area gently. Honey is good for hangovers. Just mix 80 ml of orange juice, 70 ml of organic yogurt and 15 ml of raw honey. Note: using only organic raw honey is vital. Why? Since the heating during manufacturing might destroy the beneficial nutrients and enzymes. Bear in mind that the locally grown honey comes with immune-stimulating properties. Conclusion: nature never seems to let us down and almost always comes to the rescue. These seemingly common ingredients offer so much for our health. All we need to know is how to use them. Try out these recipes for yourself, and I would love to hear from you about how was your experience and what had worked for you. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.